So here we have the Nissan Qashqai N connector on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. So let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see that we have reversing sensors as well as a camera in this car as well. We've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then should you wish to increase the boot space further, both of these two tray sections will lift and remove to give you even more space underneath. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle you can see the total miles for this car, which are 5,994. The information that's displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel, so you can have a digital readout for the speedometer that you see being displayed now. You can also check various different bits of fuel economy information. You've got a sat-nav menu, audio menu, amongst lots of others, eventually bringing you right back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have stereo controls, and on the right hand side cruise control and speed limiter, as well as the phone controls you see just there. Over in the center is the main touchscreen stereo itself. So you can hit the radio button and you can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio all available. We've got satellite navigation as well. There's a full video showing how that works on both our website and our Facebook page. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll also then see that we have a 360 parking camera. So on the right hand side we have the reverse camera image, and on the left hand side we have a bird's eye view image of the car parked in the exact space that it's in right now. And it goes a couple of steps beyond that. Press the camera button, you get a front facing camera and the bird's eye view, or a front facing camera and the front passenger side wheel. This car is also able to park itself, either parallel park or perpendicular park. There are videos showing how that works on both our website and our Facebook page. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the fan speed up and down from here, the driver temperature, the passenger temperature, the direction of the air. That button turns the air conditioning off or back on again, or you can hit auto and the car will now maintain those temperatures by taking full control of the fan speed. You can override that whenever you wish to. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox, and inside the central armrest, a 12-volt charging socket as well as the auxiliary and USB inputs. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the panoramic glass sunroof. So you can see the sun blind is closed at the moment. There's a button just here, give that a push, and the sun blind will open now all the way to the back of the rear seats. As you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light.